Hey everybody, oops. Hey everybody, Leann Forst here, and I am doing a video series right now on how to make essential oil roller bottle blends. So this one right now that I'm going to teach you is how to make a roller bottle blend for sore muscle and joints. So I'm just going to take my 5 milliliter roller bottle that you can get on Amazon or doTERRA.com, and I'm going to add to that 10 drops of deep blue. So deep blue is actually a great blend for sore muscle and joints, but if you get it in this drip bottle, it's kind of hard to use. It's much easier to use when it's in a roller bottle. So deep blue also has wintergreen in it. So it has that menthol smell to it. Kind of like it's kind of like a natural Bengay is what I like to say. So it's going to be for topical use, and you're going to put 10 drops. I think that's 10 right there. And then you're going to fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil. Okay, fractionated coconut oil is going to help it really, I don't like to say it dilutes it. It actually helps it to penetrate deeper into the muscles and joints, okay? So it helps it to absorb better. So fractionated coconut oil is just liquefied coconut oil. And then you're going to put your roller ball on, okay? And I'm going to use this little device and really just see like this. You just put it on there and press down, and I have to put it on my desk. Did you hear that? So when it clicks like that, you can tell that this is flush with the end, and now you have your sore muscle and joint roller bottle blend that you can put anywhere you need it, really. Apply it to the area of concern, your back, your neck, your knees. So that's how you make it. That's it. Have a great day.